What are you doing? Good morning. Don't throw that. Oh my heavens. Are you being bossy? Good morning, Minnie. You had a good nap, huh? Penny. What's going on? What are your diners doing up there, Grace?
Overseeing a fight. Pick yourself, Grayson. Pick yourself, Grayson. Pick yourself, Grayson. So strong. I can't hardly fight you off. But I can probably kick you there and kick you there. Oh, it's some feet.
Jake went out fishing last night from 11 p.m. and he got home at 6 a.m. They went out squid fishing, but they only caught crabs, but he's having a nap. Oh, I thought you were having a nap. His little crabby friends are in here. I can't actually open it. Okay. Ooh, they're in there. And the boys are gonna wrestle and play until lunch is ready. What are you doing? You want to focus on me?
Why not the Queen named it in for a place? The Crack Central Australia.
Love the boys. We're going to get haircuts. Today. You got no hair left. Where'd all your hair go? You look so handsome. You got juice? Juice? Yummy. Yummy, yummy. The boys have had their haircuts and they're super, super handsome. I don't know if you can see or hear me because it's too bright out here for me to see the screen. But now we're at the park. Left Daddy at home because he's tired from his big night fishing, but Grayson is having a good time. Jake is over there cooking up the crabs that he caught last night for us to have for dinner. Poppy's going to get the boys some Maccas. We're going to try them on cheeseburgers tonight because they usually only have nuggets. But Grayson insists on having some yogurt. So that's what he's currently having. How's the yogi? He won't get it, don't worry. Okay, maybe he will. Come on, Min. Hey, what are you doing? What's going on? You see what Daddy's doing? Daddy's making some crabs. Yum, yum. Yummy, yummy. Remember them one of these in years.
Try to make a normal person eat portion of chili and herbs.
Try.
Yuck.
Oh, yum.
Yuck. Don't like it?
Yuck.
Really? Look.
I haven't even tried it yet. No, it's yuck.
Goodbye. Poppy will eat it if you don't.
Good morning, little man. Hello. How did you sleep? Are you looking around the camera, Mama? Was that a good nap? You slept for like 2 hours. Good job. Oh, what's out there? Oh. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Dad and I have just been to the supermarket this morning to grab a couple of things that we needed while the little boys were sleeping. Yeah, you didn't even know Mum would come in there. And today it is cloudy, about 24 degrees. But I think we're going to head out to go do some fishing. Because in the last vlog, if you guys saw, we got Grayson a fishing rod and he hasn't had a chance to use it yet. So we're going to go do some fishing today, I think. See if we can catch some fish for dinner because we had a crab last night. I've got to show you guys the end product of it actually. But it was just cooked up crabs. It's me and Finny are sitting in the car out front of BCF. Dad, Jake and Grayson have gone in to get some bait because we are going fishing. The sun's just started to come out and it's 1:15 in the afternoon. But the sun's out, so we're taking advantage of it and we're going to catch some fish. Hello, little man. How are you? We're all rugged up because it's only in the early 20s today. There they are.
Our fish, right? Just
What'd you get?
unwrap these. So our fish. Bait so it starts defrosting.
Oh yeah.
Not much good frozen.
No, it won't
Surprisingly
be.
enough. It doesn't get too stinky, but
We'll let you know. You'll be alright.
a fish.
What'd you get?
I've got fish.
Got some fish? Fish down there.
No, it's not fish.
Well,
It's squid and
Yeah.
prawns.
still fish to Grayson. You got fish? Did you get some fish? And what does your band say? What does your band say? Oh. What does your band actually say? Fishy, fishy. Gonna catch some fish?
Catch fish.
Catch fish? Good boy.
A bush.
Okay.
Where's fish?
What's bush? Is that fish?
Water.
Okay.
Look.
Are you gonna catch a fish, Bubba? Catch a fish? Shouldn't have taken your socks off, Finny. You might get cold tootsies.
Fish. A fish. A fish.
Balls.
Sinker. Goes on your line. And you need a hook.
Watching. Watch for the fishies. Oh.
I see
Look
fish.
at the fishies. Oh.
Yeah.
Do you see the fishies? Oh, wow.
See what I said about there's squirms of little fish here?
Yeah.
As soon as the bait's in, there's millions of fish.
Do
Here
you
you go,
see
see if you
them?
can catch one. Anything. Went to 2 different locations, although Grayson had lots of fun feeding the little tiny fish at the lake, so that was okay. He had a blast. Now we've been home for about an hour and we put Finny down as soon as we got home. Grayson didn't go back to sleep because he fell asleep in the car but woke up when we got home. But now it's time to wake Finny up. Little man. Hi. Good morning. It's time to wake up. Oh, the baby stretches are the best. Oh, straight up. Like the attitude, buddy. Wow. Oh no. Back down. Back down he goes. Give you a minute. Hello. How are you? Oh, got up too quick, got a head spin. Happens to the best of us, don't worry. You want to come see Poppy?
Daddy's making spaghetti bolognese for dinner. He is. He likes that. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Wasn't big enough nap, was it? Sorry, but you got to wake up because you got to go to bed in an hour and a half. You won't go to bed for the night otherwise. Good boy. We change your napkin, go find brother. That's the end of the vlog, guys. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you on our next one. Goodbye.